Someone's busy. Ooh, what's that? Carrot. Nabinsit sa buhok, tatan. Delicioso. Oh, the hair. Oh. Ito natin. Plastic. Oh, Queen, ang ganda mo. Ang haba ng buhok mo. What? Ow! Remove the hair. You're busy, Queenie. What's that? You're eating carrots? Carrots good for your eyesight. You know it? You know it. And you know it, and you know it, you clap your hands, okay?
Clap your hands, bebe. Your hair.
Masikip yata yan, tatan.
Your hair.
Oh, it's the Lola Terry, the hairdresser. The hair is... Wow! Wow, Queenie, you're so curly. Queenie, you're so curly.
Wow, ang ganda ng buhok mo.
Your hair is curly.
Oh, ang ganda ng buhok kay Queenie.
Dito yun?
Dito
Dito
Wow, ang ano ah.
Dito yun?
Say hi. Hi, I'm Queenie the hair.
Totoong hair yan?
Ano kayo?
Totoong